Here at Biggs Harley Davidson, we have a 2015 Electra Glide Ultra Limited CVO in color carbon slate and black. The 110 cubic inch Screaming Eagle engine. This bike has all the bells and whistles. We have highway pegs, lower fairings, some additional lighting down there, extended windshield, rider backrest, tour pack, luggage rack, heated grips, cup holder, mirrors, and 52,884 miles. It also has a Vance & Hines exhaust, lots of good stuff. This bike has everything you need, and it's available for test rides 7 days a week here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos.